We Spartans descended from Hercules himself, taught never to retreat, never to surrender, taught that death in the battlefield is the greatest glory he could achieve in his life. Spartans, the finest soldiers the world has ever known.
Be afraid! Sparta will burn to the ground! 1,000 nations of the Persian Empire descend upon you!
What must the king do to save his world?
Instead, ask yourself, what should a free man do?
Threaten my people with slavery and death.
This is madness!
Madness.
This is Sparta! We will stand and fight. A new age has begun. An age of freedom. And all who know that 300 Spartans give their last breath to defend it. Spartans! Tonight! We dine in hell! Give us nothing, but take from them everything!
We're in for one wild night.